Alright, so welcome back again. In this video, let me start to try to the new series of Linux. This is level 2. In the previous series, that was level 1. Alright, now we're trying to do the first the first task. So we're gonna have to create a Cron job. Alright, so let's do that. So one day or day one is your choice. Yeah, that's the two. Come on, come on. Alright. So here the Natalia system admins team has prepared script to automate several day-to-day tasks. They want them to be deployed on all app servers in Strato DC on a set schedule. That means we're gonna have to create a cron job, different sort of cron jobs, on different servers. So we will have 3 servers: app server 1, app server 2, and app server 3 all together. We're gonna have to go there and we're gonna have to do the cron job for a specific time. So before that, they need to tag similar functionality with a simple cron job. Therefore, perform the step below. So this is simple tags, not the actual tags. So how do we do that? So let's try and let me open 3 terminal. Let me do parallel for all 3 servers, right? So we go, first of all, we go to app server 1. Tony, alright. So add stapp step 01. I'm gonna say yes. Wait. Tony password, I'm gonna copy. Alright, paste there. Alright, now we are on app server 1. I would like to go to app terminal 2. sh stev step add stapp step 02. I'm gonna say yes. So Steve password is this. I will copy that password and I'll paste right again here. I don't like this permission denied error. That should not be like that. It happens again and again, during these days. What's wrong? Alright, let me do one after another. What? We successfully logged into the app server. Now what's wrong again? Alright, so let me install the required package. Alright, so we had to install CRONIE cloning package on the Natalis app server, and we're gonna have to start cron cron service. So before we're doing that, first of all, we will do change sudo user, system user, and dash. That we change to the real user, right? Alright, so let me install cloning package. So sudo yum. We can use yum install CRONIE cloning -y. So it will start to install the cloning package on the app server 1, and we're gonna stop the cron service after installation. Alright, so we will stop the cron service. So systemctl strd start and crond cron. So this time we make it enable, env enable. Alright, so we can check the status of the cron service. So I think it's actively running her LTTO status. What? TS. Right. So you will see that. Alright, so we successfully finished for the first requirement. So let me go to the second requirement. So second requirement, we're going to have to add this Cron script, Cron Job for the root user. So how do we add Cron Job? If you don't remember, no matter what it is, the command line, you don't remember what command do I had to use. So we find it in the Google. No worry for that. So how to add? So we're gonna have to use a specific command line before we're doing that. Here, we will use this, right? So and then we add that cron job. So we use change into insert mode by typing I, and we copy this cron job. So this is specify time and say hello in the TMP and cron test file, something like that. So alright, so we finish and we escape it and save it, semicolon to YouTube and save it. So we finished for the first app servers. Alright, so we're gonna do exit and then we go to the app server 2. So STEV is Steve, STEV staff 02. I'm gonna copy the password of the app server 2 and paste right there. Alright, so come on, let's do better. I don't like this manner. I serially copied that password and pasted it right there. What's wrong? God. If I encounter many times this, how do we sort this left? Oh God. Let me use this. Oh God. Do I have to be patient for this? This is a very awful condition. Alright, let's do that. So that we change system user sudo su dash and then install cron package yum install crone cron and -y, and then we're gonna start the cron service. Then use yum install crone cron s1 systemctl start crond systems systemctl enable crond. So let me use this. Alright, so this time we use this and enable line. Alright, let me add this cron job using sudo cron -e. So I will copy this cron job again using insert mode and save it, escape, and semicolon to v2. Alright, now let me go to the app server to refine it. So SSH and a banner as TAPP staff 03. So say yes. So we copy the banner password. Alright. There's a tedious job. Such an issue. Again and again. Oh God. Do I have to claim the SPNA banner? Oh. Alright. So we use the same command lines. So the first requirement is we're gonna install that crony. Oh, wait. Let me change sudo system user sudo su dash. So we will install the crony package on the app server 3. That's the first requirement, and we're gonna start the cron service, crond cron service. Alright, so we finished the first requirement. The second requirement is we're gonna make a new Cron job for the root user of the app server 3. So we use sudo, we can use crn cron tab -e. Alright, so I will use insert mode. I will use this command line, this cron job, and escape it and save it. So alright, so we finish on every single server. Wait. Alright, so let me check it out. Confirm. Yeah, it must be. Alright, so we finish this slash. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. See you guys.